Hi, you are welcome to our training, lesson 6 of our training on procurement management of works. The title of this lesson is Bid Evaluation in Works Contract. Here is the lesson objectives for this short lesson. At the end of this short lesson, you will be able to apply the steps in bid evaluation for the procurement of works. You will also be able to apply the lowest evaluated cost and or the rated criteria evaluation bid evaluation method. And finally, you'll be able to prepare the bid evaluation report using a standard model like those of the NDBs. Let's look at the steps in bid evaluation of works. The first step is the preliminary examination of bids. The second step is the detailed technical evaluation of proposals. And finally, we look at how to handle major deviations as defined by the MDBs. Let's start with preliminary examination of bids. Here, the steps consist of number 1, verification of bidders' eligibility, completeness of submitted tender, the right bid validity period, compliant bid security or bid securing declaration, legal capacity for signature to the bid, absence of a court conviction for offenses related to taxation laws, labor or environmental laws, as well as other administrative conditions stipulated in the bidding document. Only bids who pass the preliminary examination stage are admitted to a detailed technical evaluation by the bid evaluation committee. Number 2 is the detailed technical evaluation of a technical proposal of each bidder. The bid evaluation committee will examine the adequacy of the technical proposal of each bid that passes the preliminary examination for its compliance with the procuring entity's works requirement. This step in the technical evaluation includes reviewing number 1, the site organization organogram proposed by the bidder and whether it shows that the bidder is allocating sufficient personnel and material resources for execution of the works as well as adequate site facilities for the temporary works. Number 2 is the mobilization schedule proposed by the bidder must be adequate to install the contractor's temporary facilities and commence construction of the works in a timely manner. Number 3, the method statement proposed by the bidder must demonstrate adequate understanding of the methods of construction to be used for the different parts of the works and that this meets applicable engineering and safety standards. Quality assurance system of the bidder are also considered under this particular topic. The construction work plan proposed by the bidder must be conducive for timely completion of the works by the stipulated completion dates. The bidders proposed environmental and social management strategy and implementation plan proposed by the bidder must be adequate to meet the environmental and social works requirements and demonstrate that the bidder will engage the required health and safety officers, environmental and social and community engagement specialists as required in the bidding documents. Number 5, the construction equipment proposed by the bidder must be of the types, capacities, and years of manufacture stipulated in the bidding documents. At the end of step 2, which is detailed technical evaluation, the bid evaluation committee must determine which bids are substantially responsive. A substantially responsive bid is the one that has no major deviations from the requirements of the bidding documents. Major deviations are defined by the MDBs as A. If accepted, would 1. Affect in any substantial way the scope, the quality, or performance of the works specified in the bidding documents, or 2. Limit in any substantial way that is inconsistent with the bidding document the employer's right or the bidder's obligations under the proposed contract, Or B, if rectified, would unfairly affect the competitive position of other bidders presenting substantially responsive bids. Other minor deviations in any bid which are considered by the Bid Evaluation Committee to be acceptable and would not justify rejection of the bid are noted during the technical evaluation, and the cost of remedying such minor deviations is worked out into a monetary sum to be added to respective bid price during financial evaluation based on comparison of the prices of such deviations in other non-deviating bids, and using the bid evaluation's own estimate for eliminating such minor deviations. Context of bid evaluation in works procurement. Bid evaluation in works is about selecting the substantially responsive bid, which is the most advantageous bid to the procuring entity, as per the evaluation criteria disclosed in Section 3 of the Standard Bidding Document, and which is submitted by a qualified bidder in either of two scenarios. Number one is when pre-qualification has taken place, or number two, when no pre-qualification was made and the procuring entity will conduct post-qualification of the bidder recommended for award. The bidder's qualification criteria answer the question who can do the job, while the bid evaluation criteria answer the question which submitted offer is most advantageous to the procuring entity. Qualification criteria and bid evaluation criteria are different and must be strictly differentiated in the procurement of works in most public procurement systems. Bid evaluation is conducted by a bid evaluation committee that is appointed by the head of the procuring entity. The bid evaluation committee must conduct the bid evaluation in confidentiality. The bid evaluation committee may be assisted by experts other than its members as advisors without having a vote in the decision-making process of the bid evaluation committee. At the end of the bid evaluation, the bid evaluation committee raises its recommendations for award to the competent authority for approval and subsequent announcement of the intention to award a contract. Steps in bid evaluation of works continues. Number one is the most common methodology in technical evaluation in works procurement is on the basis of pass and fail. That is lowest evaluated cost bid evaluated method. The next method is the merit point system or rated criteria technical merit points. If Section 3 of the bidding document stipulate the merit point or rated criteria or most advantageous bid method, then the bid evaluation committee will need to score the technical proposals of each responsive bid. Typically, technical and financial merit point is not more than ratio 10 to 90. 10 points for a technical score, 10 points for the technical score. Technical merit point could be allocated to the quality of the document comprising the technical proposal of the bidder. If the national procurement law requires disclosure of the results of the technical evaluation results, then a standstill period will be applied ranging from 7 to 12 working days in order to avail opportunity for aggrieved bidders to protest the result of the technical evaluation. 5. MDBs do not impose such standstill period until the combined technical and financial evaluation results are announced.